Hello beautiful, welcome back. Merry Christmas, happy holidays once again. I don't know when I'm going to post this video, but today is December 23rd. Today is my boyfriend's birthday and I promised him I'm going to put the Christmas tree up for him as a gift. I know I'm kinda late, but I am not into the Christmas spirit. I don't know, I don't feel it. So this is what I'm going to do in today's video. Oh, I'm going to move everything a little bit on that side because I'm going to put the tree right here. This room is so small. I already have my vanity, my lights, my camera, my mirror, and then I have another vanity behind me, and I have a little bit of space in that corner, so I'm going to move this vanity a little bit. Yeah, let's hope the tree will have enough space to be in this room. If not, well, that's gonna be a huge Christmas fail. So prepare to see me struggling moving all the stuff behind me. And yeah, this is what I'm going to do in today's video. If you guys want to see me struggling and I don't know, watching me how I put the ornaments in the Christmas tree, well, then keep on watching, I guess. And I'm sorry in advance if this video is, I don't know, a fail, boring. Oh, and by the way, don't ask what the heck is going on with my hair, because I don't know how to explain it. I just put some extensions on. I wanted to be cute, but I guess today is not the day. Okay guys, I'm out of here. Bye! I'm just kidding, you guys. I have all the ornaments in this huge luggage. Ooh! It's even heavier than me. Ooh. You guys, I found my cape. Elsa who? Oh my god, I'm sweating. Ta-da! Oh, you can't even see that. Why didn't you tell me that you can't see that? Ta-da! That's it, you guys. This is my tree. I wish. More than anything, it's all the people around you. Oh, my handsome tree. Would you marry me? No, maybe not. I'm the only one who doesn't know how to put these. Like, they are not long enough for the whole tree, to wrap the whole tree. And I don't know, I feel like they look stupid. Here, my cousins too. My brothers flew in this afternoon. Oh, hello, white wine. Cheers. I have some white ornaments, like white and gold. I think I'm going to put them all, and then I don't know, because I don't want to make it too colorful this year. With all faded photos of family, but oh, Christmas tree, no, it don't mean a thing without. I bought these ornaments off Amazon and they didn't came with the hanging thing, so I improvised. I think I kind of nailed it. If I say so myself. Oh, Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree. Been wondering just what you mean to me. All I want for Christmas is I'm just kidding. No, you are not allowed
allowed in here. Miss Cutie, you are not allowed. She's the mean one. She's not allowed in here. Santa won't bring you anything because you've been so naughty. You guys, I'm so sorry for the angle, but these lenses are not for wide exposure, I guess. I'm sorry for that, but I gotta work with what I have, right? You can still see me, right? You can still see me. That's my boyfriend. It's his birthday today. I'm gonna sing to him happy birthday. Oh, you guys like my Crocs? They're so comfy, and also fuzzy socks all day, every day. She's the mean one. No, you cannot eat the tree. You cannot eat the tree. Luna? Okay, bye. She's so mean, you guys. You have no idea. I need a little break. Ooh. Okay, let's continue, you guys. I found more ornaments. And I really, really love these ones. They are so cute. Oh my god, I have glitter in my wine. Okay, I guess I'm going to poop glitter.
Photos of family, oh, Christmas tree. No, you don't mean a thing without the joy that's a.
What? So cute. Thank you. Very professional here with plastic bags and all that stuff. They are made from plastic, so they're not gonna break if I store them in bags. You feel me? So that's that. Don't judge, okay? Don't judge. I see you judging. You in the back. I see you judging. Don't do it, because I know you have a plastic bag in a plastic bag in a plastic bag in a plastic bag. I know that, okay? So don't judge. Okay, you cannot say my tree is not happy, because you know what? My tree has ornaments in the back too, okay?
Oh, Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree. Been wondering just what.
And then I have a pink one. The star of the show.
Honestly, it's never been much.
I have some pearls.
Don't get me wrong, I think you're great. Root of tradition we celebrate. But oh,
I have so much glitter in my wine. I don't think it's safe to drink it. I changed my wine and I brought the light. Cheers to that. I think this tree is finished. I just need to put the star and the lights.
my sister's here, my cousins too, my brothers flew in this afternoon. We're catching up. Oh, what a year. Oh, Christmas tree.
I really hope this is the good one, because I have 3 of them and 2 don't work. Please work, please work. It works! Wow, that's so pretty. I am so tired, you guys. I'm telling you, this is a full body workout. I hope you can hear me. Sorry for that. Thanks God for my wine. I still need to put the little star on top, and I think we are good to go. The Christmas tree. That's my chair. That's my chair. You know, if you follow me, you know that. My chair makes fart noises. Sorry for that. So I feel like the tree looks pretty cute. Anyway, let's finish decorating the tree and wrap this video, because I need to go and prepare the dinner. Let's do this in slow motion.
Oh, Christmas tree. Honestly, it's never been much about you.
my tree. I cannot do a close-up with this camera. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you don't find it weird. Okay, let me finish this video like this. But I know I'm not gonna have this video up in time for Christmas because today is December 23rd, and obviously I'm not gonna have time to edit and to post it for Christmas. But this is my little tree, so that's that. I don't know what else to say. Merry Christmas, happy holidays, have a wonderful time with your family. That's how my mic, I have to improvise. Have a wonderful time with your family. Please stay safe, and that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Take care, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.